Hello and welcome to a new episode of a series called Make It Sweet. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make peach cobbler. Seriously, the most amazing fruit cobbler I've ever had. I almost ate the entire pan in one sitting. It's juicy, drippy, and the topping with coarse sugar for sparkle and crunch is absolutely incredible. Let's get started. The recipe is in the description box below the video, and let's begin by washing and cutting your peaches into slices. You can also add some raspberries or some blueberries. Both are delicious additions. Place them in a bowl. Add granulated sugar and brown sugar. Cornstarch for a little bit of thickening. Grate some fresh nutmeg. Add cinnamon. Stir them around just so everything is completely combined and some of the juices will start to release from the peaches as it sits. And a splash or two of lemon juice. Set aside, and you make your biscuit topping. I have some flour here, and to that I'm gonna add baking powder and baking soda, granulated sugar. The topping is lightly sweet, but not too sweet though. Whisk them together so everything is well combined. Oops, I almost forgot the salt. And then add butter that's been cut up. The butter should be cold because you want to have little pieces of butter left in your mixture so that when it bakes, your biscuits are nice and flaky. The key to flakiness in pie crusts and biscuits is working cold. So cold butter, even cold flour if you want to. And then when you put it in the hot oven, the steam that's created from the melting butter lifts up the biscuit and creates layers and flakes. I'm using a pastry cutter here, which is designed for cutting butter into flour. But I also like to use my fingers at the end so I can feel the size of the butter. Rinse flour off your hands. Add cold yogurt and stir just until combined. You don't want to overmix at this point. You want to maintain those pieces of butter that I was talking about a minute ago. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Live workshops and video recipes are posted for you every week. I'm using here a 6.5-inch skillet. This recipe will make 2 skillets, but you can also use a 8-by-8-inch baking dish. You can also make this into a 1-cup ramekins if you want to do individual. Time to top our juicy peaches. Drop the biscuits on top with a tablespoon or an ice cream scoop if you have it. The biscuit will spread out as it bakes, so you can leave some room between them. Now you can sprinkle with a mix of sugar and cinnamon for an even more crunchy crust. Place the skillet on a baking sheet. Have your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until the fruit in the center is bubbling and the topping looks nice and golden brown, about 30-40 minutes. And here you have it. I'm so excited. It looks absolutely delicious, and I can say now that this is one of my favorite desserts. Place your peach cobbler in a bowl and finish it with some whipping cream or ice cream, or both. Why not? Let me know if you like this recipe in the comment section below, and as always guys, click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new recipe.